Well, everyone, this is Jason from Iron Mission. Hey, thanks for being here. In today's video, we've got to get this Viking top case on this Pan America. Let's get started. Step one, remove the seat. So just take your key in the bottom. This is the Saddleman seat. Nice seat. Remove this bad boy because we need access to this bracket or this platform right here. All right, step two is we got to get this plate off. There's 3 different hex heads that we're going to need. We need a T40 for these bolts right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to need a T30 for these 2 right here. And then in these little slots right here, we're going to need a T27 to get those 2 out. All right, next thing I'm going to want to do, just to make my life easier, I got to flip this thing over. I've got to get this passenger rail disconnected from this plate here, but we've got wires under here that are connecting the tail light to the base. And so there's some zip ties here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go ahead and cut these from this side to give myself a little bit more room so I can disconnect this passenger rail from here and get the tail light disconnected so I can get all this off. Okay, so what that has done is now when I lift this up, I've got a little bit more play in here to get the rest of this stuff off because, like I said, I've got to get this piece, this bottom piece here disconnected from this top piece. And so what I'm going to do here is there are 4 screws holding this 2 pieces together. 1 here, 1 down here, and then there's 1 up here and here. All right, so again, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a T27 on all 4 of these, so it should be pretty straightforward. There is 1 more screw. It's up. It'll be really hard to see. It's up in here, and that also has to come out. That is also a T27, so it's right up in here. What that has done is now I have removed the tail light section from here, and now I can go ahead and do what I need to do to get the new bracket put on. So tail light has been disconnected. We're ready to go. And to finally remove the rest of these, the passenger rest, there's 1 more T27 up here. So I took the passenger handrail off. It was just 5 screws. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one is back here. So take the handrails off because you've got to slip in the plate that's eventually going to hold the top box. All right, so this is one of the mounting brackets here. Just kind of rests right over there. All right, so these go in. T40 is going to be just fine for these as well. And we'll torque all this stuff down once we have everything in place. I'm going to leave this a little bit loose right now, just makes it life easier if we got to adjust stuff and kind of move things around a bit. And then you've got a pair of longer bolts that are going to come back in here. They'll come in from the bottom. Once we have this on, we can put the side rails back on, and then we can put the mounting bracket on for the top case. All right, so next thing is they give you these T27s. They're the flat ones right here. And that's going to go in here, 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 and here. And those 4 are going to hold the passenger rail back on. So I'm going to go ahead and get those on. And then we'll be ready to add the top case mount. Our next step is we've got to put these support braces in. It's a T25. This thing goes in like that. Smaller one goes back here like so. So it's a T25. Just put those 4 in. All right, we're getting down to the last step. We've got these 4 holes here. They match up with these 4 holes here and here. We've got 4 more T25s. We're just going to match these up, and we are going to be ready to go here and mounting this top box here very, very shortly. All right, so then we just match up these little holes here to these here. Should slide right on, and we've got ourselves a top case. And so here it is. It is secure, it's on. Installation, if I wasn't filming this thing, probably would have taken maybe 15 minutes. A fairly easy thing to pop on and off. Lots and lots of space. Definitely well worth the money if you're looking for extra storage. As always, thanks so much for being here. I'll have a full review out on these things when I have more time to work with them, use them. Thanks for being here. We'll see you next week.